Hello folks, in this video I'm going to explain about installing Red Hat Enterprise Linux in the VirtualBox. So first step is to install the VirtualBox. So for that we need to get into the website virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads, and we can download the VirtualBox executable setup file, and then we can install it, and then we can bring up the VirtualBox. And next one is there's an extension pack that comes along with the VirtualBox that also we should download it in the same website, or you can take this link and you can download that, and you can install that as well. Okay, let me show that how I have done that. So this is my VirtualBox. I have brought this up. I have so many virtual machines, do not bother. I have my extension pack is also installed, and you should be having this tick mark appearing, that the green color tick mark appearing on your VirtualBox to say that the extension pack is also installed successfully. So that's what it is. And so with this we are completing the first step, and next step is to download the RHEL ISO image. So for that we need to get into the website access.redhat.com/downloads. So if you want to get into that, so you need to create a login account in the Red Hat Linux, and I have already created it, and I have you can also create that login account. And once you create the login account, you should be able to get this get into this portal, and then you can download the latest one, 9.4 boot ISO image, which I have successfully downloaded it, and it is already present in my downloads folder. There it is. Okay, so with that we are completing the second step as well. Okay, now the third step is to create a virtual machine. So virtual machine, how to create a new virtual machine is what we are going to see. Go to your VirtualBox, go to the machine, and then click on this new. Give a name here. You need to give a name here, and let me create it as VM3, and going to give 4096, and I'm going to give 2 GB, sorry, 2 CPUs, and I'm in the RAM, I'm giving it as 4096, which means 4 GB of RAM space. And in here I want to keep it as 20 GB, so let it be like this, and my virtual machine is now ready. Okay, so this is the next step, which is the third step. We have done this, and the specification which I have given here is to give a unique name. We have given it. RAM size minimum should be 4 GB. I have made it with 4, and number of processors, it is 2, and HDD size minimum should be 20 GB, and you can have any number more than 20 GB. Okay, so we'll see the next step. Then we will have to go and install the RHEL in the new VM. So I'm going to install the RHEL on the new virtual machine that we have created. So we'll have to go to the place where we have created. VM3 is the one that I've just created. Go to storage and go to controller IDE, and then go here, attributes. In this place you will have to select the location where you have downloaded the ISO image that's there in my downloads file. So I have given it here, and I'm going to press OK. And once I'm done, so I'm going to start this virtual machine, which will help me install the RHEL, and it's going to take some time. Let's see if it is powering up and starting installing, and how it goes. You can also skip this in case if you want to make it fast. It's already done. Then it'll, after checking the medias, then it will start the installation. Okay, before doing that, you may have to do one more thing which I missed to tell. In the VM that you created, so you may have to do some more settings. Go to your system and then make sure you give USB tablet here in the pointing device, otherwise you will have problems like your mount not working properly. Okay, so go to your display and then make this video memory to the full 128 memory and enable the 3D acceleration. So this will help you on the displays and things like that. Okay, so now I'm going to start this again. You can press tab to move the move to different options. Now you have a different screen here. Make sure you do not get these kind of red marks here. Okay, so otherwise it will not go for installation. So let's first go here and yeah, so this selection is done. Try this. Yeah, so it has verified the registration and is set, yeah, all good. And let us go back to the next thing, which is a root password. You may need to enter the root password. I have entered the root password. user creation. I can also enable this and create my user. It's all done. Okay, and what is this? Okay, now there's no red mark or orange mark. Now we can start the begin installation. It may take some time. I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back and let us go back to the next thing, which is a root password. You may need to enter the root password. I have entered the root password. User creation. I can also enable this and create my user. It's all done. Okay, and what is this? Okay, now there's no red mark or orange mark. Now we can start the begin installation. It may take some time. I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back. Yes, folks, the installation is complete. Now we can go ahead and reboot the system. Reboot. It is rebooting. Yeah, so it's come up and I have my Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9.4 brought up successfully onto my virtual machine. Okay, guys, so we have successfully done this. We have made the installation complete and we have rebooted the system, and the Red Hat Enterprise Linux has come up successfully in the virtual machine. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.